Hey guys, today we'll be telling you that we are going to give you a free slime package. So hold on. But if you comment, subscribe, and you don't have to comment, but if you like, subscribe. Okay? So hold on. 1 sec. So we got music going, but. This is my slime. If you want free slime, you can go and get free slime. I love free slime.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line.
If you like to cry,
Everyone's
and maybe
watching.
comment if you want.
You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, and if you fold it up, cause this is Africa.
No, it's down like that.
This time for Africa.
You can hear the girl. You can hear the girl. So bye.